which function has a range of -6 to infinity? Just a reminder that range is the lowest value on the graph, and then we're going to continue going upward forever and ever. Do want to point out just a couple things here that might help later, which -4 here means that we're going to move to the right 4, and +6 means that we move up 6. +4 means that we're going to move left 4 and down 6. +6 means that we're going to move left 6 and down 4. And that's actually what I call the starting point on the graph. And this bottom one here, -6, means that we start when we go right 6 and up 4. But the thing is, you can use Desmos to help you if you don't know the answer right now. And again, range the lowest value. I have them typed in because, remember, at the bottom of your screen, and you can't see mine right now, but if I tilt that, at the bottom of the screen here, there's the square root button. And like I said, I typed them in ahead of time just to save time. If we go here to this first one, our lowest value on this graph is at this point right here, at 4, 6. So it's going to be 6, and then it continues to go upward. So it's not that one. If we look at the second one, here our lowest point on the graph is here at -4, -6. You can't see it. Let me scoot it up here. -4, -6. And this range is -6. Here's our lowest value. And then we keep going up. It happens to be that particular graph. Just in contrast here, this range would be -4. I'm looking at the y value on the graph, -4 and above. And on this particular graph, our lowest point would be 4. So it would be 4 to infinity for our range. But actually the answer is going to be this one, which I think was our second choice here. Let's look at another problem. And the graph is already provided for us on this particular one, but it says consider the graph of the function, the square root of x minus 4 minus 1. Once again, just want to point out that -4 means that we move our graph to the right 4 spaces and down 1, which is our starting point. 4, -1. The question on this one says, what is the domain? So the domain is starting left, the farthest point to the left, which is this point right here of 4, -1. And then we're going to keep going towards the right. So this is going to be 4 to infinity, which is our first choice.